Do you know that the inventor of 67 US patents is a Nigerian? Do you also know that the inventor of the cancer vision goggle is a Nigerian? Of course, now you know. This doctor published over 300 internationally recognized and adorned as well as cited scientific papers. He has received over 30 local, national, and international honors and awards of research excellence. Meet Dr. Samuel Achilefu, a Nigerian-born medical practitioner in the United States. He is currently giving back to Nigeria. He is the professor and chair of the Department of Biomedical Engineering at the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center. He served as the director of the Washington University Molecular Imaging Center. He was the vice chair for innovation and entrepreneurship at the Mallinckrodt Institute of Radiology, Washington University School of Medicine. He held joint appointments as a professor of medicine, biochemistry, and molecular biophysics and biomedical engineering. He was the co-director of the Center for Multiple Myeloma Nanotherapy. He is a member of the National Academy of Medicine and a fellow of the National Academy of Inventors. He is a member of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. He is a member of the Optical Society of America. He is a member of the National Advisory Board of National Cancer Institute's Intramural Molecular Imaging Program. Have you heard of the Current Analytical Chemistry? He is the editor-in-chief and many more. Dr. Samuel Achilefu is an expert in the molecular imaging of human diseases.
My name is Sam Achilefu. I'm a professor of radiology at Washington University in St. Louis, Missouri. And I'm working on cancer detection and surgical guidance.
Let us talk about Dr. Wale Suleiman. Dr. Wale Suleiman is a professor of neurosurgery and spinal surgery and the chairman of the neurosurgery department and back as well as spine center of the Oshner Neuroscience Institute in New Orleans. He splits his time between US and Nigeria, spending 12 days each month providing health care in Nigeria, which is his country, and sometimes for free. He mostly takes pay cuts to perform free operations in Nigeria. Noting a shortfall in the physicians as well as scientists with his capacity, he decided it was important to extend his expertise to his home country, Nigeria. Have you heard of the Core 20+5 NHS in England? It was spearheaded by a Nigerian. She is a member of the Danish Ambassadors Toward the Health. Also, she was previously the National Specialty Advisor for Older People and Integrated Person-Centered Care at NHS England. She played a vital role in COVID-19 response in England. She was the UK representative on the Commonwealth Fund and Academy Tour in 2023. Meet Professor Bola Owolabi, a doctor of medicine. Actually, she is currently a professor of medicine. Professor Bola Owolabi, currently the director of the National Healthcare Inequalities Improvement Program at NHS England. She works on reducing healthcare inequalities through integrated medical models, service transformation, and using data insights for quality improvement. She also works as a medical practitioner in the Midlands. Well, she is a member of the Danish Ambassadors Toward the Health, like I said before. She has her publications, such as To Tackle Health Inequalities, Don't Just Scream, Intervene. She wrote Tackling Health Inequalities is Everyone's Business. She also talked about Help Us to shape Core 20+5, the NHS England's approach to tackling health inequalities. She also wrote on the role of businesses in reducing health inequalities amongst others. She had received numerous awards, including the NHS Leadership Academy Award in Executive Healthcare Leadership for Clinician. She is the Vice President of the Royal Society of Public Health and an honorary professor at the Institute of Applied Health Research, College of Medicine and Dentistry.
I'm Professor Bola Owolabi, Director for NHS England's National Healthcare Inequalities Improvement Programme.
Have you heard of Dr. Benjamin Anyanwu? He is a special neurologist in Greensboro, North Carolina. Of course, he built the Regent Stroke and Neuroscience Hospital in Nigeria. Dr. Benjamin was the former Chief of Neurology and Chairman Neurosciences, Novant Health, Winston-Salem. He did his general neurology residency training at the prestigious New Jersey Neuroscience Institute, JFK Medical Center, Edison, and post-residency fellowship training in vascular neurology and neurocritical care at the Thomas Jefferson University Hospital, Philadelphia. In 2016, he decided to use his wealth of experience to engage in global health and help found the first ever dedicated stroke hospital in Nigeria, and now serve as the Executive Medical Director of Regent's Healthcare Hospital and Specialist Clinics, that is Stroke and Neuroscience Hospital in Imo State, Nigeria. Regent's Healthcare runs a dedicated epilepsy clinic every Thursday at their outpatient facility, both for children and adults, which is called the Purple Clinic, through the generous donation from Rowe Foundation and West Atlantic Brain and Stroke Foundation. Every patient that attends this clinic receives their anti-seizure medication 100% free of charge. Their medical treatment is supervised by a US-trained epilepsy specialist and several neurologists free. They received over 1,000 patients every year. Please spread the word.